Friends, I am just so excited because I finally finished organizing my main bathroom. I bought a new cabinet, so it's over here, and I organized, and this bathroom is just ready and set. I am just so happy that I'm being resetting my house, organizing it, getting ready for all the good stuff that is coming in 2025. So, if you are new, welcome, welcome. And in this channel, you are going to find organizational, home decor, and lifestyle videos. So, thank you. If you are a returning viewer, thank you very much. And I truly appreciate you watching this video, liking it, and subscribing as well. So let's go ahead and start watching part 2 of my main bathroom organization and final part, in other words. Let's go ahead and watch it now. Well, this is the area that is going to be definitely organized. I do have a cabinet that I have to assemble and need to move all these things out. This cart is not clean yet. These are some of the products. I still have to empty everything there. Here is the unassembled cabinet. Over there are the instructions. I started putting it together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these parts upstairs because I'm not going to be assembling the cabinet here and then bringing it up. It's going to be hard, right? So let's do that. Well, I made progress, so oh, it's assembled. I can't believe it. It took me almost like an hour to do it. I still have to place it in the bathroom and also install the doors. I will do that in the bathroom. So in the meantime, I'm so excited. Wow. This is done, done, done. Wow, 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 wow. So here's the cabinet. Here's my card. And look at all this stuff that I have here. I have to go and sort and find out what I am going to keep and what I'm storing in this cabinet. So first things first, I probably need to sort things based on items that are on regular use, like, you know, the medicines, toothpaste, you know, hair color, tools, and more tools. So that's probably what I am going to be doing. So when I get back, I'm definitely going to show you the inside of this cabinet, what it has, and then we're gonna move to the cart. So cart is all face products that I use in the morning and at night. So about the cleaning stuff, I guess this cabinet is too small because I probably needed a taller one, but you know, baby steps, that's okay. I am going to see how organizing with this cabinet is going to be. I only have 2 shelves. I was planning here to put towels and, you know, the medicines, things that I don't use on a daily basis. And then over here, probably some of the cleaning supplies, you know, handy. Yeah. So it's going to be kind of like a hodgepodge of things. So wish me good luck. Let's see how I am going to be organizing this cabinet. I will be right back. Wow. So here it is. The cabinet. Everything organized. And let's open the drawers. I have kind of like hodgepodge containers, but I have all my stuff contained. On the top shelf, I have my dental, what do you call it? Toothpaste, razors, you know, all kind of things. And over here, a lot of medication and beauty supplies. And on the bottom, it looks like messy, but it's not messy. There are some of my dental picks and for the spa and food care. So I am so happy that everything is organized now, and I can believe that this tiny little bath cabinet contained everything. You remember that tall shelf that I had? Gosh, and it looks so nice. And then on top, these are kind of like shower caps. And yeah, so the only thing that I didn't have a space was to put my towels, which is a bummer, but that's okay. And the, oh my goodness, the toilet paper. So here's the toilet paper and tissues. I have the rest in the basement, but I am super happy that everything is super nice and organized. Look at my acrylic shelf. I have all my face care products, hair, on the bottom hair, and some additional body wash and hand wash. And then the last one, it's all my cleaning supplies. So this one, it's gonna go. I'm definitely going to donate it. And yeah, I am so excited. So yeah, I have to put my cleaning stuff down there. The same, this is garbage. This should go into the other cabinet. These are makeup, sponge. Yeah, that's another thing. But I am just so happy. It looks like I have a space now. It looks airy. My shower, I love it. The shelves are still there. And yeah, so super nice, right? I was thinking of getting other acrylic shelves, you know, something to put it there or... So yeah, I am so happy that the whole bathroom thing is just organized, looking nice, and yeah. So this is my bathroom makeover. And thanks again for watching, my friends. And see you on my next video. Bye.